Well, I'm loosening this thing right here. I think I got it loose enough. And then I gotta loosen this one, right here. I don't know what the heck I'm doing, just so you know. I had to take this thing off right here, whatever that is, to get to that right there. That right there. Yeah. I'm not a mechanic. Huh. But I can Google. Okay. I got that thing off of there. And look at, I got to that piece right there. So, gotta Google. Okay. Like, yeah, I can do this. Yep, I'm gonna put this air conditioner stuff inside yeah, that thing. Well, Google told me how to do it.